Laurus Cheadle Hulme is a secondary school based in Stockport and part of the Laurus Trust. Over 1,000 students attend our school and enjoy the state-of-the-art facilities and our purpose-built building. We decided to cover a large amount of our outdoor area to create additional dining space for the students. We approached A&S Landscape as they had completed other projects for the Trust, so we knew that they were a reliable and quality provider. A&S Landscape were extremely helpful during the quotation phase, and they were also happy to get involved with the project at the very early concept phase, which helped us to design a canopy which would give us exactly what we needed. While we applied for planning permission, A&S Landscape were on hand to supply all the technical information and drawings. We decided to appoint them for the work as they offered a superior product, and we felt assured that we were getting value for money, especially when looking at the lifespan of the canopy. Throughout the project, A&S Landscape were readily available to answer all of our questions and offer their advice. I'd like to thank them for their excellent support and communication throughout, which helped things to run smoothly and in a timely manner. Also, I'd like to add that the staff on site were really efficient and equally professional and friendly. I can honestly say that nothing has been too much trouble for them, and they were a pleasure to work with. I can't praise A&S Landscape enough. I recommend them to other schools.